Hello everyone, this is Bilal from Nova Metron and thank you for trusting and choosing my channel for the updates about MarTech, paid ads and strategy. So yes, you're seeing it right. What I have received from Semrush was totally shocking for me as well. It just blew my mind and I thought that I should share this recent update with you as well. So what I have received is that what if I told you that your top ranking SEO content could completely be invisible to the next generation of search? That's right, you heard it right. SEMrush just dropped a new report on AI search that reveals a huge red flag for anyone serious about SEO and content marketing because the shift is already happening, and I'm sure not just for me, for everyone else, it is going to directly impact your search visibility and eventually your traffic and your conversions. So this is what I have received from SEMrush. It was that AI made our jobs easier, but it also made them harder. If you can see, the 95% of the startups they fail just because they don't create the tools how our consumer sees everything, right? So there were five AI reality checks given by SEMrush. What I'm going to do, I will be explaining a few of them, and I will let you know what exactly this means. That how the community content outspaces branded content. So I will be explaining the AI reality check, and we will see that how the 95% of the brands are already visible or going to be invisible to the end audience. First is community content outspaces branded content. This means that we have to keep this in mind that AI models like GPT are trained on a massive amount of data from the internet, right? Which means that they don't just get the content or details from your website directly, but they're looking the information or answers from Reddit, Quora, Stack Overflow, or other niche communities. So what we need to do, they often see this UGC as a more helpful and directly polished than our corporate blogs. Impact on the search. Now how it is going to impact it, what is the best budget gaming monitor in 2024 is more likely to be sourced by an AI than a brand's article title like our top 5 monitors. So you have to think about that you are now building a community, not just your blog post. You have to look into this. Second is 88% of the triggered queries are informational, which means that the vast majority of searches that triggered an AI to provide a direct answer are questions. These are not like commercial transaction queries like buy this shoes today or like this. The queries are going to be like how to, why is that, and what is the best monitor or what is the best shoes in 2025 in the month of July or August or September. So that's how it's going to impact the search as well. The battle for visibility in AI is currently won by answering questions, not just pushing the products like a salesy person, right? Moving forward, only up to 27% of the brands mentioned are cited as an actual source. This means that this is the most alarming stat. An AI might talk about a brand or a product, but the vast majority of the time it will not link to a formally cite that brand's website as a source of the information. So obviously, the credit goes to third-party sites. How it is going to impact, because AI answers but get zero traffic, zero links, and zero brand recognition from it. The goal is no longer just to be mentioned, it is to be the primary source of the content in AI tools like Perplexity, ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek. And here's a conclusion. So, what's the key takeaways? The old rules of SEO are being rewritten. You have to build a better reputation. Number two, you need to create content so valuable that AI has to cite you. And you need to engage in communities where your audience is live. Last, the future of search is about becoming a cited authority, not just rank the website. So, what this means for your SEO strategy, I believe that you need to now become an authoritative source, not just a top ranker. Secondly, expand your content ecosystem. We have to start thinking our SEO strategy beyond our website. Lastly, bridge the gap between SEO and paid ads, since many informational queries are now zero click. Your paid ads become even more critical for capturing commercial intent. We need to use SEO to build authority and trust. Then later on, use the paid ads to target those users who are in the buying phase and will convert. Thank you for watching my channel and stay tuned.